If you're encountering an API rate limit issue on ChannelAdvisor, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you understand the problem and implement a solution. Step 1. Identify the rate limit. Check the API documentation or your ChannelAdvisor account settings to determine the specific rate limits imposed on your API calls. This will help you understand how many requests you can make within a certain time frame. Step 2. Monitor API usage. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Optimize API calls. Review your API calls and optimize them by reducing the frequency of requests or consolidating multiple requests into a single call. This can help you stay within the rate limits while still achieving your objectives. Step 4. Implement exponential backoff. If you receive a rate limit error, implement an exponential backoff strategy in your code. This means that after receiving an error, you wait for a certain period before retrying the request, gradually increasing the wait time with each subsequent failure. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the above steps, reach out to ChannelAdvisor support for assistance. They can provide insights specific to your account and help you resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the API rate limit issue effectively. Remember to monitor your usage regularly to prevent future occurrences.